Thomson miniature lead screws, which are available with diameters as small as 2 millimeters, can be purchased with an integrated coupler. The coupler is a great solution to help with a quick and simple installation of the miniature lead screws onto a motor. The coupler consists of 2 parts, a shaft clamp and a thread-on lock nut. The lock nut has an internal taper that uses clamp fingers to clasp down onto the mating shaft of a motor. To install the coupler, simply loosen the lock nut and slide the coupler onto the mating shaft. Ensure the mating shaft is inserted into the coupler to a depth of at least 2 times the shaft diameter. Then, with 2 wrenches, tighten the lock nut to the appropriate torque specification as outlined in our miniature lead screws brochure. To learn more about Thomson miniature lead screws, visit thomsonlinear.com or contact our experienced customer support team.